Hi friends, welcome back to Barbara's Home Sweet Home. Today I'm sharing a little quiet upgrade I've been experimenting with, Anthony's organic blueberry powder. It's freeze-dried, vegan-friendly, batch-tested, gluten-free, non-GMO, and there's no added sugar. It's just ground freeze-dried blueberries, which is exactly why I'm loving it. Here's the fun part. It's a ratio of 50-1 concentrate. So a little goes a long way. My first experiment was mixing it into San Pellegrino. First here, I'm going to do just a little taste test, just on the tip of my tongue. And it's delicious. I love it. And now I'm going to experiment with mixing it into San Pellegrino to make a little blueberry soda moment. And friends, it was delicious. Bright, fruity, and it gave me that feeling of having a treat without adding sugar. Here I'm just stirring it in. I'm going to give it a taste test here. It's very good. Cheers! Next up here, I'm trying it in hot green tea. And it mixed in just beautifully. No weird grit, just a cozy blueberry twist that felt like kind of like a spa-like taste. It was so delicious. Another thing you can do is just take a little tiny bit, like a tablespoon or a teaspoon, and add it to some water. Make sort of a slurry first, and then mix it in with whatever that you want to drizzle it into, your soda or your oatmeal or your yogurt. Sprinkle a little in for gorgeous color. It's so beautiful, even for breakfast. Home sweet home tip. Keep it in a cool, dry spot and use a dry spoon so it stays fluffy and fresh. Consistency is my standard. And a friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link, at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. We appreciate you.